Hello from Vatia Gonia beach, and the beach is almost completely empty on this late afternoon, 2nd of January 2024. And yeah, the last rays of sunshine for the day. That means also beach adventure with Chris for a quick swim here. Yeah, it has been a great day today. I also had a nice run in the morning with some beach adventures as well. So now let's prepare for the swim. All right, it is a nice sandy beach that I have already shown you on my channel, once in summer and once during my winter vacation now. So this is the third time that you have to see this beach in Ayia Napa. So Ayia Napa has many different beaches, and most of them have also the blue flag. But Vatia Gonia is one of them with the blue flag. That means that you need to meet certain criteria that are being set by the EU in order for the beach to be given and awarded blue flag. And yes, so this is day 13 of my winter vacation in Ayia Napa, Cyprus, and it has been a blast so far. I can't believe that there are only 2 days left now of my vacation. So yeah, the sun now is behind the clouds, but the water is still nice. We have 19 degrees in the air right now, and the same temperature is in the water, 19.2 according to worldseatemperature.org website. But yeah, then let's row and take a swim. Let's go. Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's dive in once again. Yes, what a nice way to take a swim in January in Cyprus. It's super amazing. So yeah, that's a wrap then from Batia Konia Beach here in Ayia Napa in Cyprus. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you soon again on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!